आज मैं जो 20-30 प्लॉट्स आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ, these are all in the range which are much affordable at this moment. This will cost you about half of it, around 30 lakhs. Don't forget to please like this video as much as possible, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe right now. Hey guys, this is Prithvi and welcome to my yet another new vlog पृथ्वी निवासी में. There are 3 20-30 BDA plots to check out on Hennur. तो आज मेरा यही प्लान है, आप लोगों को मैं 20-30, because there was a lot of demand, lots of people were expecting for a 20-30 plot. So today I found out 3 plots which are 20-30 and they all are BDA plots in Arkavati layout. अभी फ़िलहाल I'm in Hennur and I'm going to cover around this area. They all are in different locations. तो मैं पहले आपको layout and the landmarks दिखा दूंगा, उसके बाद then we will go on to see the properties and prices. I'll tell you, अगर 30-40 और कॉस्टिंग अबाउट 64 lakhs जो मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपने देखा था, आई बटन में मैं दे दूंगा आज, तो वहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपने देखा था दे आर ऑल कॉस्टिंग अबाउट 62-64 lakhs 30-40. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि दिस विल कॉस्ट यू अबाउट हाफ ऑफ इट अराउंड 30 lakhs, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, क्योंकि 20-30 आर मोस्ट ऑफ द 20-30s आर costing more than what it is. Since it is smaller plot, then it is going to be more costlier. If it is 20-30 that you're looking to buy, then आज ही खरीद लीजिए, क्योंकि the prices going to go up and up in future and it is going to really be difficult to afford to buy a 20-30 plot, a BDA property or even a B Khata property in Bangalore. आज मैं जो 20-30 plots आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ, these are all in the range which are much affordable at this moment. There is only one reason behind why 20-30s are getting more costlier and costlier day by day. The reason is that they are hardly available in the market, and that too getting it in a very good locations, in a good prime locations, it's really very difficult. So guys, grab this opportunity. Right now in this video I'm going to give you 3 plots which are very close to the main roads in Hennur, around surrounding Hennur. So guys, stay in the video till the last to understand the complete video and the properties. These 3 BDA plots are available only for you guys. So guys, as you can see that I am right now standing on Hennur main road, and that is the landmark of Hennur main road, the underpass, the railway underpass. You will never miss this railway underpass, and this property is right in this point, just 100 meters from Hennur underpass. So let me show you the layout first, and then I will show you the property as well. 20-30 east facing property. Any which ways, you will be getting all the property details, all the prices of this property right when I show you the third plot.
Life in a world that keeps changing, think that it's progress you're making, copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
So this is a neighboring house. Just next to this neighboring house is this property. It's an east facing property. Right in front is 20 and the depth is 30 feet. The price of this property I'm going to tell you in the third plot. So right now I'm on Hennur main road, and as you can see, we are going to see the second plot, which is right behind the Christu Jayanti College. This is the landmark, one of the biggest landmark of Hennur, Christu Jayanti College. Right behind this Christu Jayanti College is the Arkavati BDA property, which I'm going to show you the second plot. Right behind this is Christu Jayanti, and behind it is the plot. So I've entered, this is the main road and this is the layout. So let's go around the layout. Let us see. And this is one of the Arkavati layout which is completely developed. People are living, lots of houses around. The layout is completely full. So let me take you around this property and this layout and show you the houses very nicely built around, and this property belongs to this layout itself. So this property is going to be, this plot of 20-30, which is a north facing, is going to be the second plot. So the first and second plot price I'm going to tell you in the last plot, the third plot. So please hang around in the video and let us check out the third plot as well. Thank you.
Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this slip in.
So we've arrived at the plot. That's the main road which I showed you, and this plot is just next to the commercial property. That is the commercial property, and this property is the second property from the commercial. So this can also be called as the semi-commercial property. So right in front is 20 and the depth is 30. So this is the 20 feet and the depth is 30 feet, and this is a semi-commercial property. The main road is 50 feet and this is the layout as you saw. So guys, right now I'm in back gate of Manyata. This is Manyata gate number 5, and we are going to see the third plot. The third plot is just only 2 minutes from this place. So as you can see, this is Manyata gate number 5. From here it is just 2 minutes for the plot. So let's go ahead. In the meantime, I'll tell you the price. The first plot which we actually looked at, the 2030 east facing, the price of that is 42 lakhs. The second plot which we looked at, the price of that plot is 55 lakhs, the semi-commercial one. And this is the third plot, and this third plot, the cost of this is 52 lakhs, and this is a north facing property.
We've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes.
So the first one was east, the second one was a north facing property, and this one is a north facing property again. So right in front of you it is 20 in the front and the depth is 30 feet, and this is only 5 minutes from Manyata back gate. So 20 and 30 feet, and the price of this is 52 lakhs. So find my number in the description. It's not so easy to get properties on the field, so please like as much as possible, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe right now.